Strange sense of terror that comes from knowing exactly what's going to happen to you. There's a strange sense of calm that comes from it also, but in the middle of the night when you can't sleep, sometimes you feel happy knowing what they're trying to do to you, and sometimes you feel terrified knowing what they're trying to do to you. I think I'm very happy. Every single podcast I did previous to this, I hammered the point home and I made it very clear that they had the intention of trying to put me in jail. I said there's 3 lives. They try and cancel you and slander you and destroy your name. They don't just want you to disappear from the internet. They want you to disappear from the internet in a cloud of shame. They have to shame you, which is why they chose the crimes they did for me, and it's why they usually choose the crimes they choose, because it's heinous. They want to shame you, and they want you to disappear with your head facing the ground and never pop up again. Obviously, they attempted to cancel me, and I became more famous than ever before. I even said to you on your podcast, and I said on other podcasts, I said, I think they made a mistake. I think when you have power and you overuse it, what happens is a rebellion. That's how a revolution starts. When you have power, you have to be very, very careful with how you use that power. The second you overuse it, there's a revolution, and we're in Romania, so they know all about that. That's exactly what happens. And I said at the time, I think I was a mistake. I think they made a big mistake canceling me the way they did. And then the second time, the second life, which I described as they try and put you in jail for no reason. Here we are in the current scenario. I knew it was going to happen. And the third one is they put a bullet in your head. So we're going to have to see how the second life plays out. And yeah, I mean, when this is all over and I win the court case and I get the not guilty, I won't be smiling. I'll be walking out the courtroom with my head on a swivel. That's the kind of life I'm living now. I'm going to be thinking, oh, okay, so their second attempt failed. Now what? Like, do I want to fly private anymore? Do I want to go that place anymore? You start to think about these things. Like, do I want to do these things? A lot of billionaires dying in plane crashes. It's strange. So it's scary, regardless of how it plays out. And I guess you just have to go with the punches and see where it lands. And God has a plan for me and for all of us, and we're just going to see how it ends up. I want to make it very clear, and I make it clear on absolutely every single podcast, I would never kill myself. I don't care what they say. I don't care what video they show you. Never under any circumstance would I kill myself. It's haram. Never. I don't care if they put me back in the dungeon, solitary confinement by myself for the rest of my human years. I would never kill myself, ever, ever. So if that ever happens, God forbid, do not believe whatever garbage they tell you. The chance of me killing myself is precisely 0. They have to damage my influence. They have to damage my influence. They can't sit there and let me be influential because I'm saying things that they don't like me saying. And there are people sitting around going, he's saying things counter to our message and counter to our narrative. Get rid of it. And they have a pretty standardized playbook. And this is probably one of the first times in history where their playbook just isn't working. Cancel him. He's still around. Oh, well, lie about him in the news. Just say he touches chicks. Well, no one believes it. Oh, all the comments are on his side. Everyone's calling us liars. Okay, then do it again. Then do it again. Make up a new girl. Then do it again. Find someone else. Yeah. And they keep attacking me with the same weapons, but the bullets are bouncing off. And that doesn't give me a sense of calm. That doesn't make me think, ha ha ha, I'm invincible. It makes me think, uh-oh. It makes me think, uh-oh, because human life is cheap at the top. It's very cheap. It's interesting because sometimes I analyze myself and think, why don't I just do that? Why don't I just disappear? You know, I don't need money. I don't need fame. Why don't I just disappear? And then you have to, I was saying this to my brother, and he was like, well, Genghis Khan didn't need Vienna. Some people are just wired that way. Like, Vienna's a long way from Kathmandu. Sometimes that's just the way it is, or Ulaanbaatar, I apologize, the capital of Mongolia. That's just the way some people are. If I see injustice, and if I see things which I believe to be false, I feel like I am obligated to say the truth. I can't explain why, even if at my own detriment. What am I doing this for? Like, it's to the detriment of my life. And I've had these conversations at length with the people close to me, and we're all saying the same thing. It's always been the same way. Humanity's always been the same way. There's been a select, small, few good men up against evil, and evil always outnumbers you. Evil always has more money than you. They always have more power and more influence than you. If you play any video game, when you get to the end boss, he always has more life than you. He always has more hit points, but you're the good guy. And it's kind of like, it's never been any different. At any point in human history, there's been the good guys up against the forces of evil, whatever they were at the time, and you've always been outnumbered and you've always been supposed to lose. Well, instead of saying who, I will say, what I will start by saying is what they do. And what they do is they control information. And we now live in an information society, and by controlling information, they control how people think and act and react to things. That's all they have to do. They have to control information, and they have to be very selective with what they allow you to talk about and what they allow you to discuss and what they don't. And once they can do that, they can keep you bickering about garbage, and they can control the sensitive information, and then they run the world. So having all the information controlled and having this hard barrier on what can be discussed, that's how they can purport absolute fallacies. I think now it's been a couple years, we can probably talk about it. They psyoped the world into believing they should be afraid of the common cold. They psyoped the world into this. And if you think about how difficult that would be to do, how difficult would it be to psyop the entire population of Earth? Well, what you do is you just lie on repeat, and you don't allow anyone to say anything counter to it without hurting them the same way I've been hurt. And you just psyop them. It's actually amazing because now I use that exact same psyop on people. I love it. I love it. So when I sit with someone who's not matrix minded, when I sit with someone who is matrix minded, like when the BBC walked in here, I'm like, do you all have your vaccinations? Social distancing.
Did you actually?
100%. Social distancing, please. And they look at me like I'm crazy. Well, how am I crazy? 2 years ago, you were telling me to do this. Now when I repeat your own worldview to you, I'm crazy. Well, if I'm crazy, guess what? You're a fucking liar, because you lied the whole time. So either you're a liar or I'm not. You know, how could I be nuts? Put your fucking mask on. If I ever talk to any of these clowns again, they're gonna be fully masked up. And I refuse. I don't care if you've had 2 booster jabs. No, I want all 6 injections. I want paperwork. Or get fucked.
You're not coming in the house.
Good fuck. I'm scared of COVID. It's dangerous. I believe the mainstream media. I'm scared.
This word you keep using, psyop, I've never heard this word. It's short for psychological operations?
Correct.
Break that down. What exactly is a psyop?
Yeah, a psyop is the matrix as a whole. It's like psychological operations are constant. They constantly decide how they want you to think and what they can do to make you believe that, right? There's a whole bunch of them they do. But it starts with tolerance. That's what I don't like about this whole guise of tolerance. It's not that I'm an intolerant person. It's not that I'm a bad person. It's not that I want to hurt other people. But when they keep pushing tolerance, what they're trying to say is have no standards or barriers or parameters for anything. That's what they want. You have to be tolerant. Tolerant of what? Tolerant of having your shop set on fire, tolerant of your kids being taught things you don't want, tolerant of crime, tolerant of your house being broken into. Like, tolerant of what? You're not allowed any hard barrier or any hard parameters as a man anymore. That's why they push tolerance. That's the beginning of it. That's the first stage. Once you accept absolute tolerance, well then it's the end, isn't it? I'm tolerant of everything. I'll eat the bugs. Sure.
You'll tolerate everything.
I'll tolerate everything. I'm tolerant, sure. So when I say things like I'm intolerant of certain things and people think that's bad, no, you need to have standards and parameters. And that's one of the reasons they also attack me. I say that men should be allowed to have standards and parameters in a relationship and in their lives. We should be allowed to decide who we want to marry, and we should have standards for her. They have standards for us. We should allow ourselves to have standards for her. We should have standards in what we'll accept from a government and standards in what we'll accept from a police force. We should have standards as men. But they're trying to erode all of that, because once that's gone, then your brain is completely empty. And then once your brain's empty, they can just plug in the slave program, and then it's over, right? You're a tolerant person. You're a tolerant person. Good. You're a good slave. Slaves are exceptionally tolerant.
They're good for different things, man. But they both have the same basic worldviews, the same basic what's the word I'm looking for? Propaganda. The same. They're trying to hypnotize you in the same way, right? And it's all done on purpose. I think we've discussed this before, and we'll discuss it certainly a bit later, but they're trying to destroy the masculine imperative to prevent revolution. So it's all kind of the same. There's certain things I respect about each country. But it was good to certainly at a young age move around a bit as well. It allowed me to never, ever really settle in a school and make a bunch of good friends or anything like that. So I always understood, even from a young age, how to make people like me quickly, and also how unimportant the relationships with those people were, right? I wasn't a kid who's like, oh, I'm gonna miss my best friend. I was like, okay, you were my best friend for 2 years. Peace, I'm out. I was like that. So that's probably another reason why me and my brother are so close. So yeah, it was a good upbringing. I can't have nothing bad to say about it. I was just raised by the OG. My dad was a G. Big, black, chess master, huge, drinking, gambling, pimping. Like, he's just out here. He was just that guy, right? So he was like that to the end. So he was a hero. Yeah. So chess, I mean, obviously my father was a chess master, right? So I had to learn the game. He sat me down. I spent a lot of time learning it. And to this day, I have massive respect for chess. So much respect for the game. It's so much harder at that world level than people can even fathom. Unless you even play the game, you can't even anticipate how good these people are at the game. They're effectively computers. I don't think you can even be good at chess at that level without having something a little bit wrong with you. You got to be on the spectrum somewhere. Do you know what I mean? Because it's crazy how good these guys are. But yeah, chess is an amazing thing. I still play chess every day. I'm not world level or anything. I'm around 1750, 1800 elo. If anyone knows chess, that's what I am. But yeah,
would that be considered better than average,
certainly better than average.
Yeah.
You know, the average player, let's say, is around 1,000 or something.
Okay.
But my dad was 2,400.
Okay.
Or 2,500.
Damn.
So yeah, so I'll give you an example. My dad could beat me without looking at the board. So my dad would be in the kitchen, fucking around the kitchen, cooking dinner. I'd be in front of a chessboard in the living room, and I'd say E4. He'd say C6. Knight F3, Knight C3. And boom, and he'd smoke me without looking at the board. That's how good the bet is. It's insanity. Yeah. But I do think it's a good basis for life. There's certainly a lot of lessons in chess. There's certainly a lot you can attribute to chess from everyday life to the chessboard. And I think it's a good grounding mechanism. I enjoy to sit down for a good couple hours, win some games, lose some games. Yeah, absolutely. So I'll give you my favorite one first.
Yeah. Please do.
My favorite one is the difference between the king and the queen. Right? Because the king moves one square at a time. And the queen can just zip across the board. Right? So you're here in Miami. You're partying in Miami. They got all these parties right now. It's Art Basel, blah, blah, blah. You see all these chicks on a boat. For the man to get on that boat, it's one square at a time. Right? He has to get a good job. He has to get his taxes right. He has to find a way to leverage credit. He has to meet the guy who sells the boats. He has to go through all this shit stage by stage by stage to finally pull off being on that yacht and having that yacht at the age of 56. A chick, what does she need? Lip fillers? Boom. Zip. On. She gets straight on. That's the difference between the king and the queen. But although the king is slower than the queen, he's the most important piece, right? The king can't die. The queen can die. The queen, sometimes you can be looking at a position and go, this is fucked up. The only way out of this is to sacrifice that bitch. Sometimes you can do it. I'll tell you a very quick story. This is a story I've never told before. When I was, how old was I? 23? When I was 23, I was dating a ballerina. She was the prima ballerina of the Cambridge Ballet School in England. And I had no money. I was a fighter, but I was coming up. I didn't really have any money. And she lived far away, like an hour and a half away, but she used to come see me, and we were good for like a year and a half. I loved this girl, yeah? And she finished ballet school. She started dancing in clubs in London. She couldn't get any ballet work. Surprise, surprise. Who fucking wants ballet work, right? So she ends up doing like dancing and not stripping, but like dancing in the club, you know. So now she's around all the London money every day. She's out dancing all the time. She's up late every night. She doesn't want to drive an hour and a half to come see me. None of this shit. So we're kind of falling apart a little bit. And she ended up talking to someone famous, David Hay. I don't know who he is, he's a boxer. So David Hay starts texting this bitch, right? Back and forth to the. So anyway, when I finally saw her again, she was like, we had an argument. She's like, well, you know what? You think you're a fighter? This guy, that guy, this guy, that guy. I'm like, look, if you're gonna go fuck idiots, at least do it for money. And she's like, what do you mean? I was like, well, if you're gonna go fuck idiots, at least get paid, because they don't give a fuck about you. Like, if you're gonna play this game, at least do it for money.
Right.
So I had this argument with her back and forth, and I explained to her that these men are just gonna use you. If you're gonna do it, at least get paid. And when she left the house, Tristan said, why are you
Alright, man. So yeah, just wait a minute. Yeah, just wait a minute. Let me grab some water. I'll be right back in 1 minute. Yeah, I think now music is good and my sound would also be good. It should be good. Yeah, everything should be good. So, you know what I'm going to do now? First thing first, we will do the analysis for gold for every pair. So, just wait a minute. Yeah, let's go 25. So, on the 1 hour time frame, you may think we can go for the trade, but I don't think so. We can go for a buy in this like 12 pip range where we at least will have like 14 pip stop loss. But if we go to the 30-minute time frame, I think the close below the range. Yeah, I don't know. Like, I only need one trade, one good trade. So I don't think so. I will, yeah, the trade that I want, I have to take the trade for now. I don't think so. Like, I really don't want to take that risky trade when I know I can take a better trade than this for the, because this is just the start of the new week. This is just the start of the new day. This is just the start of the new session, man. So like, we don't even have too much volume, crazy volume, and we all know we need crazy volume. Not crazy volume, we just need volume. So I think we can do some analysis for now. So as we all know, today is weekly candle open. Weekly candle open mean in this week we only took one trade, man. Yeah, So let's talk about just wait. Yeah, let's talk about weekly. So we all know weekly, on the weekly time frame, weekly candle did create a new resistance. Yeah, weekly candle did create a new resistance, and looks like we are creating a lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And music is too loud, can't hear you, Kennedy. Let me see. Let me see this thing on my laptop. Is it really loud? Let me see. Just can you hear me now? I don't think so. So, oh yeah, I think, yeah, here it is good. Here it should be good. Yeah, man. Yeah, there was a little problem. Yeah, I understand. The music was a little loud, not too much, but a little, and a little make too much difference. Still a bit loud as opposed to your voice. Yeah, now I reduce the sound. So what about now? Like now, for now. If you can tell me about now, I can reduce a little more. Let me. Alright, so yeah. I reduce a little more. So yeah. Weekly is bearish, and we all know we are in this rejection area, kind of a rejection area. We don't know what will happen there. Let's go to the daily time frame. Oh wow, beautiful. One thing that I can see it good now. Yeah. So we can see we came up, rejected from the same area, create a resistance. We came down, create a low, came up, create a resistance on the, oh, this is the trade that I was talking about on the Friday. No, I think on the Thursday I was in a sell, and I took a sell and I forgot to close the trade. It was on a demo, and on Friday I was like, yeah man, I can have my stop loss above the daily candle, and above the daily candle mean, if as long as we hold the high of the daily candle, we can go down. And man, we did not break the high of the previous daily candle, because that was a bearish candle and we have to fill this wick on the daily time frame. We did fill the wick. Now I am assuming we can, like previous daily is bearish, we came up to create a top wick, beautiful 19 pip 20 pip top wick. I think if we can get the closure below the range, we should be very good to take a sell. I think today's target could be like 2013, 2014, 2015, somewhere over here. And let's go to the 4-hour time frame, because on the 4-hour time frame we can get the better confirmation, we can get the better zones, better areas Yeah, as we can see now, 4-hour candle did close bullish, a weak bullish. But the thing is, if we look at the previous 4-hour candle, that closed with no wick at the bottom. So it makes sense for this candle to close bullish. But I still think like if we can get the closure below the range, we can see on the 1 hour, on the 4-hour time frame, we have a very good range over here. And we really want to take advantage of this range. Like, let me tell you one thing over here. This is the thing that I was looking for on Friday. On Friday, I was looking for potential sells below this area. This kind of close below the range. That was like 30 minutes before the 30 minutes before the New York session. But I wasn't at the home. I was at the ground. I was playing some cricket. But I missed this trade, and I was like, man, I was waiting for the one trade, and I missed that one trade. So that was the trade that I missed. So same thing I'm doing here today. I am waiting for only one trade. Only one trade. I'm not saying that I need 5 trades a day. I'm not saying that I need 6 trades a day. I don't say that. Yeah, man. There was a day, one day, I took 19 trades. I took 19 trades. I was that guy, but I'm not that guy anymore now. Now I have patience. I know when I have to take the trades. I know when I have to sit on my hand, and yeah, I just have to wait. I just have to wait for my setup. I just have to wait for my setup to shows up. And for GBPJPY, we may see a consolidation because today we have a Japanese yen bank holiday, and Japanese yen bank holiday means there is only one pair will be open, and that is pound. And we all know pound open at like after 42 minutes. Pound will open after 42 minutes. We will have a volume after 42 minutes, but before that I don't think so we can take a trade after 42 minutes. And I really want to take the trade I think below this area. Yeah, yeah, below this area, because we don't have any range. And if we look at the previous daily candle, it closed bullish. As long as we hold the low of the previous daily candle, I'm not looking for sells. And weekly, look at the weekly time frame, man. Weekly did close all of the ranges, all of the ranges. So look at the daily. This daily candle closed above all these ranges, all these resistances. And what happened? This candle drove up. This candle really drove up. And it closed with an exhaustion wick from where we reject this area before, and we again reject from this area. I don't know what can happen here, but I think if we can, like, if by looking at the weekly, this weekly has to come down to create a bottom wick, and in that bottom wick we will take a sell. In that bottom wick we will take a trade. But yeah, 1 hour is not looking good, 30 minutes is not looking good, 15 minutes. We'll see like how we can take the trade. Yeah. Oh wow, Euro USD close strong bearish. Yeah, I think strong bearish. I'm not looking for any sells. Oh, we may come down to create a bottom wick for the weekly time frame. Yeah, but we already break the high of the previous weekly candle. Daily is also pushing up without even a bottom wick. 4 hour, we may see a push towards the downside to grab the bottom wick, but I don't know. Like, CAD JPY, nothing. Euro USD, USDJPY. USDJPY, like, why we trade USDJPY in pre-London or London session? Because in pre-London or London session we have JPY open, but today we have a bank holiday for the JPY, and we all know USD is not open in this session, so that is why we can't go for the USDJPY for today. It may range for the whole day, not for the whole day till pre-New York session, but I don't think so. I will go for a gold. I think for me gold would be better above this area. This is absolute no trade range for me. Yeah, this is absolute no trade range for me. I don't want to do anything in this range. Yeah, at all. I really don't want to do anything in this range. This is potential no trade range, and I think today the only pair that is looking good is gold, and we will try to take the trade on gold. Oh, look at this, man, on the 15. Oh wow, even on the 15-minute time frame we have a clean range. Clean range. Wow, beautiful, man. Like, let me thin this line a little bit. It looks like too thick, so oh yeah. So look at this, man. How much is this range? I think that would be 40 pips. Oh, 48 pips. Oh shit, man. Oh, I really want to take advantage of the... Oh, wow. Look at this, man. We have the same area. I think if we can get the closure below the range, I would be very happy to take advantage of this range. 48 pip range, man. Yeah, I really want to take advantage of this range. I don't want to let this range to go without giving me any pie. Yeah, I'm seeking for only one pie of the whole move. Yeah. So this is a 48 pip range, man. Can you even imagine? 48 pip range. So let me write over here 48 pip range. Wow, beautiful. 48 pips clean range. Oh, 48 pips. $48 pips clean range over here. And for the buy side, I think that could be the best thing, like 35 pip clean range and whatever. Let me delete. Yeah, let's just stay this thing where it is. I have no problem. I think yeah, we have 34. I think 34 pips range. Yeah, this is like 34 pip range. Yeah, you know what? Let me take a screenshot of this and let me put this on my Twitter. Yeah, let me put this on my Twitter. I think that would be the good idea for me. So we have 4 peoples and we have no likes till yet. I think if people can give us a like, that would be very good. And you know what I did on Thursday? Maybe on Thursday, maybe on Friday, I don't know, but I I asked for likes. You guys didn't. Guys didn't give me likes on the stream, and what I did, I was like, man, if I don't get likes, I will just end the stream. And you can't take the trade with me in London Open. And what I did, I ended the stream. And if you can go to my stream, so yeah, let me engineer. What is your account type? Pro firms or your real money? Bro, it is a pro firm. What's happening? So let me upload my the engineering. Let me upload my analysis. So what can I say? So this is gold analysis for London session. We have clean ranges for buy side. All we have to do is to wait for candle to either close above or below the range. Yeah, I think that would be good. So are the engineering. XAUUSD. Let me put some tags over here. So yeah, Forex tips. Yeah, man. Yeah, I upload the image, my analysis on my Twitter. So yeah, guys, now you can ask me whatever you want. Bro, this is my funded account and I am up like 1.5% on my funded account. So you know what, let me find let me find the last stream where I took the trade after the stream, because I think you guys think I may not close the stream,
PSYOP.
but I can. I think it wasn't on Friday, it was on Thursday. Let me go to the YouTube channel live. So yeah, man, can you guys leave a like on the stream If you can, I think that would be good. If you don't, maybe I do the same thing that I did on Thursday. I'll end the stream. So how can I show you my screen? Let me wait a minute. Wait a minute. So 30-minute candle did close over here. Wow. I don't believe in gold now. This is no trade range for me. Let's see, how can I show you my stream? Look at this, I'm in a trade. Now you can understand, man. You missed this trade. Yeah, you missed this trade with me. Yeah, maybe I move my stop loss. I am saying that would be awesome if you can guys, if you guys can leave a like on the stream. I think, yeah, we don't have any volume for today, and I don't think so I will go for any trade over here. GJ is whatever. Can we take a trade above this level? Let me see the range. Yeah, same, like nothing. And also we have CPI tomorrow, and oh wow. Yeah, let's see, man. Yeah, I'll wait for the gold if we can get the opportunity. If we can get the closure above the range, or if we can get the closure below the range. And we may not see volume today because we all know, like, we all know this. Tomorrow is CPI, and market may wait for the CPI. Market said, hey man, listen, I don't wanna move today. I'll move tomorrow on the CPI. If you think I'll give you anything, you are just a fool. You are a fool. So before you get on, you need to be rich mentally. All of a sudden, it is to you. Afterwards, yeah, no doubt about that. No doubt about that. So yeah, let's see. Analytics, we have 2 likes, man. Yeah, very good, man. I love that. Bro, listen, I'm very honest with you, man. The only thing that I always ask, that is likes. And you don't have to pay anything for that shit. And I think you have to, like, whenever I started the stream, you have to give likes on your own, man. Like, I don't have to ask for that thing because, like, you know, man, what I need. The only thing that I need is likes. He will. Oh shit. A suspension reaction. Bro, but when you will, you will got an accident. Oh shit. Beautiful hair. Beautiful hair. Says que. Oh, 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 wow. Oh, he did the opposite thing. He did the opposite thing, and now he's feeling really proud. उल्टा कर दिया आपने. You did the opposite thing. So yeah, man. Oh, 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 oh. So yeah, man. You know what? I think I have to do some bench press now. Yeah, I think that would be very, very good if I do bench press now. This is a good time to do the bench press. This is a good time. So yeah, man, I'm going for a bench press. Yeah, man. Let me add a little more weight. Yeah, man. Bench press would be good for now. I have my mic with me. I think I can put my mic over here because anywhere else is very risky for me to have a mic. And oh, this angle is not looking good. Just wait a minute. Yeah. I think you guys can hear me. Bismillah. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. That was good. That was good. Let's see if you still can hear me. Wow. That was good. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah, yesterday I was planning, man, like I can do this stuff uh, in between the stream, and I think like in that way I can save my time, because when I'm doing the stream, I think I have enough time for me to do this kind of stuff too. So like when we are waiting for the setups, I can put my energy for my health, for my body. Everyone want a strong body. No one put in work. Yeah, yeah. Oh wow, we break the low of the previous. We break the low previous 15-minute candle. Let's see, we have 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Yeah. So man, like we all know this, 4 hour is whatever, daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, monthly is bearish, everything is bearish, man. We can't jump into the buys for now until or unless we get the closure above this range. So let me add a little more weight for the second set, not setup. Yeah, same weight on this side. Yeah, for the second set. Bismillah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Yeah, I did my second round, man. I did my second round. Wow, beautiful. Now, after 2-3 minutes, I'll go for the third round. Yeah, I'll go for the third round. And from today, I will put my efforts in the work every day. I'll put my efforts to get my body stronger every day. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, man. I think we have 30 seconds left. Less than maybe 10 seconds left for this candle to close. I don't know. Oh. Who the fuck is that guy? Oh. This candle is not closed yet. Oh, we have 1 minute left. Oh, what happened with the time, man? Yeah, I think we have 30, 20. And look at this, gold is not moving. Now it is at like 23.96. 23.96. Still. Look at this. Not even a 1 pip move. What the hell is this, man? Yeah, nothing. Again, 23.97. Wow. All right. 15 may kind of close bearish. Why we can't take a sell over here? Because 4 hour is bullish. As long as we hold the 4 hour low, we are bullish. But we don't know what we can do in this range. But previous 1 hour is bullish. This is bullish. 30-minute is whatever. Yeah, 50 may kind of close bearish over here. Yeah, man. So yeah, let's go for a third round. Let's go for a third round. Let me. All right. Yeah. Let's go for a third round of the bench press. Mm. Ah. Mm. Ah. Ah. Mm. Ah. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow, man. Wow. I have done my three rounds for today. Oh, Ali. Hey, Ali, how are you, man? So, let me open the Discord. That would be good. Yeah. No wonder everyone thinks the retail trading community is a joke. It literally is a joke. There are CEOs in the space. HC for this is a wonder why everyone says the first time. Says brokers. Discord. Yeah. Yeah, Ali. See you here on the Discord. Yeah, man, everything was arranging. Nothing was moving. I made a decision. I said to myself, hey, no one is moving. I'll move. Yeah. Gold is not moving. I'll move. GJ is not moving. I will move myself. So yeah. I think we hold the low of the 30 minute. Hey Ali, how are you, man?
Hello, bro. I'm good. What about you, bro?
Oh man, feeling good. I'm like, yeah, I'm just amazing.
You make me go on concern with your push-ups, you know?
Oh yeah, man. I did the first round, then I increased a little weight, and then I did the second,
Yeah.
and now I did the third round, man.
I
Yesterday,
didn't knew you were doing push-ups, you know?
no, it wasn't push-ups. It was like bench press. Like in push-ups, we like this is same. Like we do the push-ups for like our chest, and bench press is also for chest. But when I do push-ups, I got pain in my back, and my back is like my core is really weak, extremely weak. So what I do, I I do like now I'm doing the plank every day, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh, 1 minute and 15 seconds, 3 sets, and that is like my core is getting better day by day. And yesterday I was planning, I was like, man, when I'm sitting in front of the charts and charts are not doing anything, how can I like take advantage of that free time? Then I was like, man, I can do this kind of stuff on the stream. Like uh, it takes like 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes for one set, and I can do that sets on the stream, and I think that is a good idea. I'm doing that. I did
Yeah,
this for the first time, but because I made a bench on my home,
yeah,
and it is like because like the nearest gym that I have is 8 kilometers away from me. So in the winters, if I go to the if I go to the gym, and if I do a hard work, and if I have sweat on my body, and with that sweat, if I go back to home, came back to home in the winter, that can that like cold that cold can fuck your body. And I've seen a case in front of me. There was a guy who was doing this, like he has his tea hotel, and what he do, like whenever he got sweat, he just go to the, what we can say, nalka. He go to the nalka, and he just take a shower, and he again come back to the his tea hotel. And what happened, now his legs are like my forearm, not even my bicep, his legs are like my forearm. So he can't even move, he can't even walk, man. He every time he's on his bed, and that make me concerned, man. I don't wanna go to the gym, like and also it takes time, man. Like for me to go to the gym, I have to, like, first I have to do like wear a tracksuit, then I have to wear joggers, then I have to, yeah, man, now I have to go to the petrol pump, and like it takes time. Like I can spend, and if I met with my friend, that is additional like 1 or 1.5 hour. And then I was like, man, I can, like, what I need, the only thing I need is a like kind of a table that helped me to do my bench press, that helped me to do my bicep, and I also have 2 dumbbells for the biceps, and I do my shoulder. For the back, I do my planks, and for like I'm not saying that upper back, I'm saying that lower back, because I feel pain most of the time. Whenever I do 10 push-ups, I got fucked up with my back, and I can't even like run with my back, and I can't even play. So this thing happened with me. Then I was like, yeah, I was searching from the internet, how can I get better on my core, and the first thing that I see is plank, and plank is helping me really well. In the 20 as the 2024 starts, I am doing 30 push-ups every day, 10 push-ups one set and 3 sets of 10 push-ups, because I can do 50 push-ups easily, but this is not the case. But if I do 50 push-ups, I can do this for one day, for the second day, but on the third day I can't even move because my back will got fucked up. So that is why I'm also doing planks, and man, planks are really hard because you have to hold your body, and my weight is now 82 kilos, and it is like I'm overweight now. I have no problem with overweight. I think like if I got engaged into the fight, I'll have the advantage of the weight. Weight is, at some point your weight is your advantage. At some point your weight is your biggest disadvantage. Like the next step for me is to like first I have to get as strong as I can. I have to build my muscles. The next step is for me to learn karate and to practice boxing just for the self defense. Like if someone show me his eyes, hey, don't show me your eyes, I can snatch your eyes. Yeah,
Bro,
man.
you just imagined the whole scenario without doing nothing.
Man, I'm putting some efforts to like get my body strong. Man, I'm not like I'm not a like a weak guy. I have good muscles, but because of doing nothing in the last 2-3 months, I gained too much weight. I was like, yeah, now I have to put something in effort. And in the winters I can't do anything because I'm a summer guy. I'm not a winter guy. And like I can yeah, I'm a summer guy.
Yeah. When I just came to the stream, you were just like, Mon, I didn't knew you were I didn't knew you were doing push-ups. I was like, what is this guy doing? Just resum your live,
No,
resum your live stream, bro. And
yeah.
and
So
second thing, I thought, oh, I think he
yeah,
might
I
doing
do
push-ups,
push-ups in the evening.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't
And
know you were doing push-ups. So when I came to the stream, you were like grunting like, I was like, what is this guy
yeah,
doing?
yeah, I just
Like
did
he
increase
just
my
put his mic on and he's grunting really hard.
yeah, I was like, yeah, I will not put my mic away because man, this is not a bad thing. Like if you are doing the good stuff, you don't have any problem,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
and this is way
yeah,
like
yeah, yeah. It was really good, but I didn't knew you were doing push-ups.
yeah, and
I just firstly went to the stream and you were like grunting really hard. I was like, what?
and this is where we can get some more like if someone may talk, hey man, I know this man, he's doing push-ups on the stream, he's doing uh, he's doing his work on the stream, and this is kind of like I am putting my time into work, and but the thing is this is a good work, and it can also gives us the good results for influence people. Like man, if we are putting the work, then you can do this too.
Yeah.
So GJ, I don't have any plan for GJ for today because we have Japanese yen bank holiday, and I don't think so we will have volume for GJ. UJ for the same thing. Euro USD 4-hour close.
So
Strong
tomorrow we
here.
got CPI. I don't think so.
And
We will get any movement today.
and I don't think so we will get the move even on the gold.
Yeah, we won't
Yeah.
have any sort of movement before CPI because
Yeah, I was talking
yeah,
this when I started the stream. I was like, man, I'm not looking at the GJ, I'm only looking at the gold. And also, gold may not move because maybe market wait for the CPI data for tomorrow, and man, we will have a
Yeah.
crazy move tomorrow because they are anticipating a really bad numbers. But I don't think so. Number will came bad. I think number will came even good because
Yeah, let's see.
they are thinking their inflation is going down, but I don't think so. Their inflation is going down. I think after looking at the data that we have had before, like previous week, I don't think so. It will inflation will go down. No, like last NFP, there was like 353 new jobs. How someone can think like, let me see the NFP data. I don't know how someone can think inflation will go down. When was the NFP?
I don't know, bro.
Yeah, 2 Feb. Yeah, numbers were 353K. It means 353K new jobs were produced, and if 353K people got their jobs, that means they got the money. Oh, look at this. This is the thing that I was saying. Like today, Japanese yen is not open, and we can see the volume on the Frankfurt open because like we have only one pair that will lead the move. And on the Frankfurt open, look at this. The move that we have seen like in the last 2-3 hours, we have seen that move in just 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm still bearish on gold, but market is really fucked up these days. Like we
This
can't even
range is
imagine,
the
man.
range that I won't touch. Yeah, I won't touch this range. Like from 2026 or till 2020, I won't touch anything.
Yeah, man, this is
It's
a
a very
pretty
choppy range.
bullshit range. Like we can't even imagine
Yeah.
about if someone may think, hey, I can take the trade in this range. Yeah, we can say, yeah, man,
Yeah,
go
but
take this trade if you think this is a good plan for you. But I don't think so. This is a good plan for us, for me. But below 2020.65, man, we have 48 clean range. Even on the 15-minute time frame, we have no problem.
yeah,
Yeah, because sometimes we see the
we got
rejections on the
clean candles below, and we got clean candles above as well. You know.
yeah, man. Yeah, both on both sides. We have clean ranges for the both sides.
Let's see what will happen. I don't think so. We will get anything throughout this London session.
Maybe in
But
the late
let's see
London
if we get
session
something.
at 1:30, I think. Yeah, we have the rejection on the 30-minute too. 2026.13. Yeah. I think that would be a very good idea for us to stay away from this range. And we also know this, we have CPI this week. And CPI will be the decider. Like Fed raise the rates and Fed hold the rates, Fed cut the rates just to hold inflation. Like sometimes when they see, hey, inflation is rising, they were like, hey man, yeah, now we have to hold this inflation, because if inflation goes too much high, then like prices of the goods can go to the roof. So then they increase the rates. So now they are looking for, hey man, let's get inflation to the 2%. If we can get inflation to the 2%, then it means we have no inflation. Then they will cut the rates, and we will see everything will move up. Gold will go up to the 2200, we can see Nasdaq to the like maybe 19,000. US 30 may go to the 42,000, and Euro USD may go, I don't know, because in this pair we have two pairs, Euro and USD. What about Euro USD? It looks like salary play, but previous 4-hour close, extremely strong bullish candle.
Euro USD.
Yeah, previous 4-hour candle close strong bearish. The stop loss is
Yeah, bro, but this 4-hour candle will be deciding. You know, if this 4-hour candle close above the range, I will go for a buy for the next 4 hours. You know,
man. Then there
because the
is
left hand side would be really clean.
yeah. Then there is no problem. But this candle has to close like somewhere over in this area, not like 30 pips away.
Yeah.
Yeah, if this candle can close like if our stop loss
Number
is
that
like
though?
16, 17, 18 pips, 16 pip stop loss would be good. If we can have a move way above, then it means move is done. And sometimes people are too much arrogant. They don't want to accept that move is done now.
Yeah.
I think you don't have to be arrogant in the markets. You just have to. And one more thing that is concerning is daily candle has no bottom wick. And this is also a weekly candle. $22 pips. USDJPY. Look at this, man. Like UJ is pushing down, GJ is pushing up. But most of the time, both two pairs moves in the same direction. So yeah, man. So
Yeah.
all we have to do is to wait for candles to either to close above the range. I put the analysis on my Twitter, and let me see what I said. Yeah, I said this is gold analysis for the London session. We have clean ranges for buy side and the sell side. All we had to do is to wait for the candle to either close above or below the range. Yeah, same thing. Oh, we have one. Oh, so this is how 2024 works. Notification GL. So yeah, man. Jack.
So, bro, what's your 2024 goals? You got something? Have you written something about yourself?
Yeah, but I think I can't tell on the stream.
Oh,
I was reading a story. Actually, that wasn't a story. That was a research, and my friend sent me that research, and that guy was saying, "Hey man, listen. If you like, why most of the time you think most of the things, but you don't do all of the things. Like maybe you do 5% of that things, because like when you think some stuff, when you plan some stuff, you already got the feelings of winning, you already got the happiness of that winning, you already got that kind of feelings that feel you like, hey man, yeah. And this is why you can't do that stuff, because the taste, you already got that taste. So I was really inspired with that thing, because before that I was thinking too much, hey man, yeah, if I can do that, then I was like, yeah, I don't think so. And when we like, Ali, you also, maybe you have feel that, like, if you want to do something and you tell all the people, say, hey man, I will do that, 99% of the chance you will not do that. Like, you have
Yeah,
to,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, you. And one more thing, you have, if you want to share something, you have to share with your like-minded peoples. Like, if I am doing
Mm-hmm.
trading now, if someone asks me, hey man, what are you doing, I was like, no bro, I'm just wasting my time, I'm just like, I have no hope in my life and I'm just doing nothing. And they were like, yeah, your father is earning, so you can, yeah, you do what. But the thing is, I don't want to tell anyone who is no trading. And my friends
Yeah.
know me who are trader, I'm doing this. And one of my cousin know me, I'm doing this. And like, this is just like, they know the trading, I know them just trading. No one is doing the YouTube, so I didn't tell anyone about the YouTube, because I don't think so, because they are not like-minded people. I can tell this stuff to the
Mm-hmm.
like-minded people, and like-minded people mean, if my friends are doing trading, I always tell them, hey man, I do this, I took a loss, I took a win. But I don't tell anyone about my YouTube, because once I will get a person who is doing the YouTube, then I will discuss him, hey man, yeah, I'm doing this, how can I get better? And what are you doing? How, like, where you get this idea? What are you doing? And this kind of stuff. So that is why I'm saying, like, you always have to share your ideas with the like-minded peoples. But
Mm-hmm.
when you try to like tell some stuff, uh, random peoples, then you are just fucking up yourself, and I don't think so this is a good idea. So that is why most of the time I just don't tell anyone. So that is why, like, if I tell my dreams on the stream, then most likely I'm not gonna achieve that.
Yeah.
But if I
No, but
talk,
uh, you know what happens, what we can do about this thing, we shouldn't say anything about our goals. It's basically very true, you know.
yeah,
You don't have to tell something that I'm doing this, but we can say like this, that I want to do these things, you know.
yeah.
If we like say I want to do these things, maybe some people might give you their opinions, or maybe some people
But
might like
yeah, this is
give you
why.
some way out, you know.
But
Yeah,
when you talk with like-minded people, they will not distract you. They will not fuck your mind.
yeah,
They will, because, like, they will give you the honest opinion. They will give you the, hey man, you can do this better in this way. They will give you the, and
yeah,
and
yeah,
you
yeah,
will also feel better. Hey man, this man gives me the really good point. But when you, like it,
yeah.
like when I was in a 10th class, and I always listen Sonu Sharma, I always listen Dr. Vivek Bindra, I always listen Qasim Ali Shah. Why? Just to for gratification. And they always say,
Mm-hmm.
hey, go to your room, tell everyone, I will buy this, I will buy that. Bro, listen, you are buying the stuff from people's money. You are buying the stuff, people are paying you for your speeches, and you are buying from everything from that money. And you are telling people, say, do this and do that. Now they are fucked up. Now they have very bad times, because now people understand this this is a very bad shit. This is just to
Yeah.
what we say, what our mind release when we like like you understand, sometimes you notice like we really wanna uh, like we really wanna get away from our cell phone, but we can't.
Yeah.
We try to, hey man, yeah, and sometimes look how our mind is trapped. Sometimes we just we take our mobile phone for to call our friend, let's say our friend, and when we like pick our mobile phone, first thing we can do, we will go to the YouTube. And now YouTube will show you the shorts, because YouTube know when he will get engaged with the shorts, he can easily give us a 1 hour. And after the 1 hour, you are like,
Yeah.
oh man, I have to talk with my friend. And then by chance, you will get the notification from the Instagram. This is where you will get fucked up, man. This is how, man, media is just fucking shit crazy. And this is how we got trapped. This is
Yeah,
how
bro,
we
true
got
that.
trapped. And then I was like, Ali, I will send you the link of the video. I will suggest you to watch that video. Man, you will get too much stuff from that video. You will understand the reality. But I will suggest you to watch only one video of that person.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you try to
Just a podcast or something else?
no, this is the video. Let me find the link. What was that person name? Yeah, I remember. Iman. Yeah, now I got that. And I will suggest you to watch only one video, because if you will watch more videos, you will get fucked up from your mind.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Mm. Oh, where is that video gone? Oh, I think he removed that. No, he didn't. No, let me find that video. I only got it after applying these things. I bought a 7 product we had that made me a millionaire. Oh! Oh shit! He removed that video. Oh no. Oh, let me see. If he didn't remove that video, I will send you the link. Oh, he was very fucking man. Man, he trapped that person. He's also a course seller. I watched his first video, then when I see after some days he uploaded his second video, and this is how you can make $10,000 a month. I was like, I don't give a fuck. I don't wanna watch your video because I don't need $10,000 a month. But oh man, he removed that video, man. That was a like he speaks the facts. He speaks the facts, and now my mobile phone is on the what we can say, no disturb mode. I always have my mobile phone, and sometimes when I feel, hey man, I can't get away from my mobile, I just change my mobile color black and white. Like I don't have any color on my mobile. Like now I have my colors on my mobile, but sometimes when I feel, man, like because this is all the color games. That is why they are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars to the graphic design to the UI UX designer to design their look how beautiful Instagram logo is. How beautiful, man. You can't even imagine how beautiful Instagram logo is. Instagram,
Yeah.
man, it is extremely beautiful. That is why people are getting engaged with the Instagram. It is extremely beautiful. So, but when you have no color on your mobile, you will not get trapped. Man, that fucking person, I don't know why he removed the video. I think he was trying to sell his course, and I think he sell his course. Yeah, he sell his course, man. That is why. That was a pretty good video. Man, I'm feeling like why I didn't download that video.
Save that video.
Sometimes I download some videos.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go to my download. Maybe I download that video, man, because that was a pretty good video. Oh no! Like sometimes I download the video of Capital Hungary, like just to say, like when I have no internet, I can watch that videos. Now it is very rare.
On your YouTube library.
No. I download in my hard disk on my laptop.
No. Uh-huh.
Like if like Raja Banks, when he started his $5,000 account, all of his videos I download that video because I was like, if maybe he remove all that videos. If he remove all that videos, I would have all that videos, and that is why I download that videos. And man, believe me, I watch that playlist maybe like 15 to 20 times.
Mm-hmm.
And I just see why he took this trade, how he took this trade. The thing I seen is he take 3 to 4% risk, and he don't even like get hesitated. 3%, 2.5% risk, and he always try to like, he don't close some partials. This is that I always said to you, hey Ali, one thing that I like about you is you don't close partials, you always close full trade. And Raja do the same thing. Whenever he feel like, hey man, yeah, I have to get out of this position now, he just closes full position. So, and he get like 20 pips, 25 pips. Just like if we have $5,000 account, and if we are taking the trade with the 60 cents or 70 cents, and we are catching 20 pips or 30 pips, with 30 pips we can make 4%. With 20 pips we can make 3%. And man, imagine 3% is way too much on one trade. And if you do the same thing, if you get 5 best trades, like man, I always like, if I know the thing that I know now, I can make too much money from the start of the 2023, man. There were, man, you can't even imagine, like the thing that I did on the NFP, what I did, there was a 150p move. I like, now I'm not taking too big risks, but I catch 75 pip one trade and 150 pip second trade. But just imagine, like if I am on that on these days, man, those days were 300 pip move, 500 pip move, 600 pip move. Like market is anticipating Fed will cut the rates by 25 basis points, and now Fed came, he said, hey man, we are cutting the rates by 75 basis points. That was a shocker for the market, and gold just 600 pips ran away. Oh man. So this is where I missed too much trades, and I think Now this is a very dry market, because like market will move when you will have like rate cuts or rate hikes. Now market is in a decision of market is in a balanced decision. Either it has to cut the rates, or it has to hold the rates, or it has to raise the rates. Now the fear of raise the rates is gone. Now market can like just hold the rates, and or if they cut the rates, we can see gold, man, pushing up, just pushing up. But I don't
Yeah.
think so. We can see 3 rate cuts in this year. I don't think so. Because the labor data is pretty good, man. It is pretty good. If we can get the bad labor data, if we can get the bad, all that bad stuff, then we can say, yeah, man, we can go for rate cuts. But I don't think so. Now market is rate cuts. But Ali, listen, man, like I think this is the best time to learn fundamentals, because we know market is dry, but the time is coming. Like I'm not seeing any rate cut in the March. Oh, I think Ali is gone. Oh, Ali is here. So I was saying I'm not seeing any rate cuts in the March, but I think next FOMC in May, we can see the rate cuts in May. And man, and also we all know this, the next government in USA is will be the Trump. He will be the next president of the US, and Trump's policy always is cut the rate, cut the rates, cut the rates. Why? Because he is a businessman. He always try to help businesses. He don't give a fuck to inflation. Like I think when Trump was president, he came to the media and he said, "Hey, you don't know, tomorrow job data is coming, and you can't even imagine how good that data is. We are giving jobs to the people, and that job data has to come tomorrow." And Trump already give the signal of good job data. And you know what?
Yeah.
You know what? Gold dropped I think gold dropped like 100 pips in just 2-3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
And on the news,
Yeah.
gold didn't move because price was already priced in. You know what? Like when we had the news, price already moved. Like we don't have any rate cuts, but we have seen these moves. We have seen these moves. Why? These were on the rate cut bets. People bet on gold. Hey, we will see. Look at these moves. I think we tapped into the 2090, 2088. This is where market was heavily anticipating the rate cuts, and like on the rate cuts, gold will not move. Gold will move before the rate cuts. This is the concept that we call price in. So like when we had the news, most of the time we can see, hey man, market is like, if the numbers came same, market will not move. What that mean? That mean is market will move. The numbers they are anticipating is already priced in. Market will move if the numbers will came higher than expected or lower than expected. So this is the thing. We may see today candle close bullish. We may see, because they are looking for good bad numbers. They are looking for inflation is coming down, and maybe already priced in. And if it is already priced in, then we can see a move if the numbers came higher than expected or lower than expected. There is no way numbers can come lower than expected. I think numbers will come higher than expected, and this is where March rate cut will get fade out, and then we can see a move towards the downside. If the numbers came like 3.3, 3.2, 3.4, then we can see a good move towards the downside, and I think we will take advantage of that thing. I think we can do the stream in the New York session. Ali, are you free tomorrow for the CPI?
You mean for streaming?
No, I think I'm talking about for like do the trading.
Yeah, I'm totally free.
Bro, you already
We
missed
can't
NFP.
ignore tomorrow, you know.
Yeah, you already missed
Hmm?
NFP, and I was, hey Ali,
Yeah.
where are you, bro? I'm on the stream. Come on, man. And you sent me the message after NFP came, and it was a move already happened, and I was like, bro, why you didn't come to the stream? So I think,
Yeah.
I think we will do the stream tomorrow, and if we get the number, if we get a good number, I think we will take the trade. And if we see a number like 3.0, like they are expecting 2.9, if we get the number 3.0, then we will see, like after looking at the price action on the 1 minute time frame, then we can go for the trade on the 1 minute time frame price action.
Yeah. After the numbers.
Yeah, after the numbers came. I think I may have a sell stop tomorrow, because I have a problem with the buy stop, because if I have a 6 pip spreads or 7 pips, and if I got slipped like 10 pips, that means I am already down 16 pips. But if I got slipped in 10 pips in the sell side, and my spreads are like, even my spreads are 10 pips, I have no problem, because when I have to close the trade, my spreads will go down. It will go like 1 pip, 1.2 pips, because I'm not closing the trade like in 2 seconds. After looking at the numbers, I'll wait for to catch the move as much as I can on the anticipation. I think if the numbers came 3.3, and if I took the trade, if I got in the trade at 2019, the first thing that I will close at 90 pips at 2010, and I will close the whole trade at 2000. This is where I know, yeah man, market can reject from 2000. But I was thinking like we may go down to 2000, like we can go to the 1988, 1987, then we have another key level at 1983. If we can pass 1983, we can easily go to 1972. So like you can see the key levels. One key level is at 2028, 2020, and Ali, how is the background music?
Bro, I muted your live stream and I don't hear your background music on Discord, you know.
Can you hear the? Oh, you can't hear the music. So yeah, just for 1 minute, go to the live stream and give me the opinion.
Yeah, bro.
Give me your opinion. What you wanna say about this background music?
And I don't hear your background music. Bro, it's a banger music, you know. How did you find that music?
It is.
It's a banger music. Like any animated movies, you know.
Oh,
No, no,
I was,
no,
I was.
no, no, yeah.
They were saying it is a gaming stream background music.
Yeah, yeah.
So I was like, yeah, we need a power.
Mhm.
We also need
Yeah, yeah.
some stuff that is like gaming. Work commission on the Ali, Uncle Ted didn't
Yeah, bro.
accept my request on his Instagram,
What?
man. Uncle Ted didn't accept my friend request on the Instagram.
Oh.
And I was like, who the
Mm.
fuck? Man, what are you doing, man? Just accept my friend request and increase your follower.
No, he's fed up of social media, you know. He's really fed up because there was a lot of drama during his career about the traders domain and everything, and
Man,
everybody was
this
spreading
is a
humor against him. Yeah.
this is
So
very
I
bad
think he,
industry, man. People are trying to
yeah,
sell their stuff, and they always try to uh, like what we can say. They always try to talk shit about other traders, like what Raja did. He always try to talk shit about ICT
yeah,
because he know if I will talk about the ICT, my my audience and their audience will fight, and this is how their ICT's audience will know about me, and
yeah.
this is how we get a good audience, man. And one more thing
It was
is,
like in marketing, you know.
yeah, and one more thing is, look, man, everyone who talk shit about ICT, like you can see the Don Wu. He also talk about ICT. His YouTube banner was, there's this guy called ICT, and like people gain too much audience from ICT audience. And the thing is, why, like, man, ICT has a cult audience, man. His audience is crazy. If you talk
So
something
he
about
got 1 million followers on YouTube, you know.
1 million
Yeah, 1.1 million followers on
ICT,
YouTube. They have
man.
very big families.
Ooh, 1.07. Oh shit. I think he's the
Yeah,
first. He's the first forex trader or YouTuber who got million subscriber, man.
yeah, he is the bull, bro.
And also, I think on his Twitter he has 477k follower.
Yeah,
And man,
if you want to do the marketing, you need to get to gain his attention, you know.
oh wow, yeah. Like Numan did.
Yeah,
Numan talked shit about Raja Banks,
yeah,
and Raja Banks, like, sometimes he give a reply on his stream, and this is how Numan get the attention. And now I think he has what is limitless Numan. Yeah, here is Numan. Oh, he has his own funded company.
yeah,
So he has 25k followers.
yeah. And I saw like Capital Hungry. I checked right now. He also gained a lot of followers on YouTube, you know. He
Oh,
has like 120k, 190k subscribers on YouTube.
I'm thinking that are fake,
I don't know, bro.
because when I see him, his subscribers were like 10k or 15k,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was
and
also like very shocked. Like, how did he
Man,
gain so much followers?
yeah, like on one video,
No, no. But
like
if
it
you,
works like
yeah,
this.
if you,
If he has a
yeah,
if I watch his one video and he has a 10K follower or 11K follower, when I will watch his second video, he will have the follower of 20K, then 30K, then 40K. Like if you are a very good, like you will move like this. But I've seen his follower like just jump from 15K to 100K. I was like, what the heck is this? Like
no, but
this.
if you see his videos, you know, his videos also is getting views. Like 3 days ago, he posted analysis for Bitcoin, and it's already gained like 29K views. So yeah,
On Bitcoin.
his subscribers do is valid. Yeah. What?
On Bitcoin, he got the views.
Yeah,
Capital.
yeah. Bitcoin analysis fundamentals and technical. He
I
just
think
posted
that
a
was the
video like,
oil, man. Oh,
no.
Bitcoin
Just
analysis.
check.
Wow. Yeah. 29K. Oh,
So his follower do make sense
oh, I didn't even look
because
at
he
this.
has gained the views, you know.
Yeah, he's.
When YouTube,
Oh,
if you know about the YouTube algorithms, you know, when you hit your
oh.
first 1K subscriber,
Yeah,
it will be like
first
it
1K
2K
subscribers are
subscriber will
very
be like,
hard. Very hard,
yeah,
man.
after that you will gain subscribers. But
Like
the only main thing is about
this
like
is this is where people
one
quit.
first, yeah,
This is where people quit.
yeah,
Like this is where
yeah,
people
yeah.
quit. And once you get the subscribers of 2K, man, like if you have 100 people on the stream, then you will have 200s, then people will talk about you. That 200s will, if
Yeah,
like they will talk some shit or stuff like that, and then you will get more and more and more followers, bro.
yeah.
Yeah, this is right, man. So oh, oh, Numan also has follow Raja Bank. Man, he was that was just that shit was just to get followers. I know this. He was trying to get
No, he just,
followers.
yeah, he just removed his, like, what do we say? He just removed his fight with Rajabanks, you know. He
Oh,
went to
all that
Dubai and
trades.
sorted everything out with him. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
that this is the
they
thing
are
that I'm
now
saying.
friends, I guess.
Oh, they were friends, man. I think that may
Yeah,
be like that may be a marketing stunt.
yeah.
Like
Bro,
our
that guy, that, yeah.
what you wanna say?
What?
You were talking
No,
something.
no. Finish your sentences. Yeah.
Yeah, like our TikTokers do. They talk like Naniwala talk some shit about other TikToker. They were like, "Hey, I have my following, and this is how." They were like, "I will give my follower to iPhone. What you will give?" And that button say, "Hey man, I will." We are trying to plan some marriage with like Dolly with a guy, what we say, who is like 1 feet. Paravada. Like I don't use
What?
TikTok. I don't like what kind of marketing stunts TikTokers do. That was the same stunt. Talk shit about talk shit about the person who is already doing good, who has the good audience. One day I did talk about Nick Stewart, man. I just unleashed my I just what I just did private that stream, man. Then I was feeling, man. I was like, bro, I don't want to do that. Like I don't want to talk about his risk to reward. I don't want to talk about he's not even a, he's just like he also took the trade on Friday. I was watching his stream maybe I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, and his stop loss was I think 30 pips, and if he got that stop loss, he would lose his account. And but but yeah, man.
Yeah, I
That's
was also on his streams on the Friday, you know, but he didn't get triggered. Like a lot of people got triggered on that position, but he didn't trigger himself,
triggered
and
mean
it was straight to the stops, you know.
no. I think that was a break even.
Well, when I saw his first, when I saw his exit position, you know, his position was like where, let me
Oh,
see, it was
listen,
on
Ali,
1 hour.
listen. I think you are talking about Thursday when there was election.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, it was Thursday at 6:30. He had a sell stop, and that candle definitely break the low. And I
Yeah.
was crazy throughout the whole day of 8 February, election day. I was like, man, what the heck is doing? I just give me internet. I really want to take trade. When I see the charts on Friday, I was like, man, this is the stop loss. I will definitely get into this trade, and this is a stop loss for me. And I was like, let's see if Nick got this stop loss. And I was like, oh, he had a sell stop. Oh, maybe he loses account. And man, that his sell stop was I think 1.5 pips below, or maybe 1 pip below, and that didn't get activated, and he got survived from that. He got survived. And you are definitely talking about the Thursday trade, man. That just tapped
Mhm.
in and then moved like 6:30 volume move. It moves like that in opposite direction, and that could be the sniper entry in the opposite direction.
Mm-hmm.
But he survived. Most of the people took the loss, but I would also take this trade, man. Let me go to the 8th February, 7:30, 15 minutes. I don't know. 8. Yeah, this is where it was. I would definitely get into this trade. It wasn't at the 6:30. I think it was at 7:15. Yeah, 30 minute was also looking good. Yeah, at that can definitely break the low of this candle is 7261. Yeah, it breaks the low like 1.1 pip below. I would definitely get into this trade, and that may be my stop loss. 7:15. Let me see the 5-minute time frame. Oh,
On 8th February?
8 February Pakistan time, 8:15.
Yeah.
Oh, we were at
I
the,
also saw that.
yeah. Oh, we were at the key level. 2028 key level, and we reject that key level. Ali, go to my stream and see how many times we reject that key level. Man,
I'm on your stream.
yeah, you will see after 5 minutes how many times we reject that key level, man.
Yeah.
Ali, Ali, I would say, I think if you can have these key levels, most of the time you will get some extra knowledge.
Yeah.
I think that would help you a lot, man. If you want to get into, if you have the key levels.
What is key level, bro?
I don't know, bro. I just like let me show you this. Uh, let me go to the NFP day. 2 Feb. Like this is where price got rejected or price moves. Look at this. From the key level, first minute candle was 110 pips. Second 1 minute candle closed bullish, and third 1 minute candle closed bearish, rejecting the key level, got into the sells, and that was a trade. Like I've seen this, man. It always respects the key levels on the news. I don't know how, from where Capital Hungry got these key levels, but on the news, market always respect key levels, always.
And how can we draw this key level?
Like I can give you all these prices of the key levels. Today I will send you the key level prices. You just have to draw
Yeah,
these
yeah.
key levels like we draw the lines on our yellow lines on our MetaTrader. All we have to do is just to draw that line and go to the properties, like do this line a little thick so you can see the key level clearly, and give this line a red color, because red color is more appealing, and you can watch the red color really beautiful. Your eyes got attracted from the red color, bro. This is really good. Let me show you one more thing. There was a news one day, and it rejected the key level 2010. 2010. It just came down, wick down, and reject 2010. Only that was a news. That was a news candle. Look at this news candle. First, it reject from 2020, and then what happened? It came up, reject from 2020, all the way in the next second come down to 2010, and I was about to take a buy from the 2010. 2010 is a key level. It just moved up. The next 1 minute candle closed bullish. I was like, I really want to take the trade there, but I was like, man, like sometimes we are looking for better entries, and once we don't get that better entry, we were like, the other entry make 100% sense, but what happened with me, I was like, no man, I don't want to take this until I get that better entry. I was doing the same thing like you do, waiting for the candle to break the high, then came down, I get the good entry, but most of the time it just move up. I was like, because now we don't have the good volume days, but when we had the volume days, it just move up. I was like, bro, what is this? Then I was praying, hey, come down, please come down. Yeah, gold is pushing. We may get the trade on the, yeah, As I said before, if we get the trade, we will get the trade at 1:30 p.m. Oh, Euro USD break the high. I was also looking at the 1 hour time frame, and I drew. Yeah, this candle did not close above that one. Oh, we also break the low. Oh, I think we break the low of the previous 4-hour candle. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. Wow, beautiful. That could be like 10 pips stop loss. We're already in 3 pips in profit. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that could be, but I don't know. Yeah, man, we have still 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left for this candle to close. Yeah, let's see. We have 4 minutes left for this candle to close. 1 hour is pushing up, just pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So man, I'm feeling hungry and I think I have to. Wow, beautiful area over here. If we can get the closure below this range, I think we have a good range to drop down. I'm also feeling hungry. If I can get some breakfast, I think that would be awesome. Oh wow. We did create a new شكرا الحمد لله. Oh wow. Wow, beautiful. Oh shit, man, this is pushing up. Wow. 2 minutes. Do we have any news? I don't think so. We have any news. 2 minutes, and we may see a trade in 2 minutes. Oh wow, man! I didn't even look at the BDC. Wasim Qadir. Qadir Wasim. Oh. Wow. Oh shit. Oh shit. she's, I think, oh, let me see, I think candle close. Oh man, look at the rejection. Candle close below the range. Wow, beautiful. Look at the rejection. Oh wow, look at the rejection. Yeah, if the next candle can close, I think if this candle can close bearish and the next candle close bullish, that would be good. Who is she, man? Bro, tell me the name. Who is she? No reply. Oh shit, she's trying to get away, but that girl is. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh shit, man, this girl has a. Oh, she's on full hit. Oh man. Oh, her name is Meher Bukhari. Meher Bukhari. Oh man. Let me go to the Meher Bukhari account. She said anything. It was wrong then, it is wrong now. Politics without morality is futile. National wicket fall and Wasim Kadir candidate NA of PTI formally joins PMLN. Oh wow. Yeah bro. So yeah. That man, fuck that. Fuck her, man. We just upload her naked. Yeah, he upload her naked picture. Oh shit, this is not good, man. Like, uh, she is just a shit. I don't know why people have interest to see her naked. I can't understand that. I can't even understand that. अच्छा Kazai. Achak Zai not for sale. Oh. Yeah, we may see a rejection from this area. I don't know. GBPJ. Oh! Oh, look at this. How it is pushing down. Can you look at this? If you can't, can you look at this? How it is moving down. USDJPY. Trying to close. Oh, look at the Euro USD. Let's see if this candle can close above the range. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'm here. Oh, let's see how many likes do we have on the stream. 3 likes. Yeah, we'll see after this 15-minute candle closure. We may see a candle close above the range and we may go for a buy with a 25-cent trade over here. Wow. Oh, 5-minute is also looking good. Like we still have time for this candle to close. Wow, 5-minute is also clean, man. Till this level. 15. Oh, 15 is pretty clean. Let's see. Maybe I don't take the trade on UJ, but I think if we can get the clear above the range on gold, I would definitely go for that. If this candle can close bearish and the next candle close bullish, that would be more good. We have like we have 7 minutes left for this candle to close. 6. So just wait a minute, let me see if I have something in my breakfast. Yeah, wait 2-3 minutes. Yeah. We also have azan. I'll be right back after the azan.
Visions of you. Man, you need some headphones, bro.
Yeah, man, didn't find anything. My family is not at the home because they are they are in our neighbor house, man. 2 days before, 2 days before their child died, man. Their child met his real God. So I just got some milk over here. I am trying to find dates, I think. Oh wow, if this candle can close bearish and the next candle close above the range bullish, I think that would be awesome for me. Yeah, I would consider that awesome. If it closed a strong bearish, I would consider more awesome. So yeah, I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Let me find some dates so I can have my little to no breakfast. Alright, beautiful man. Ah, 15-minute candle close below the range and it closed bearish. If the next candle can close bullish above the range, we can go for a buy. Yeah, we can. And also I found the dates. Find the dates. I think now. Hmm. Hmm. Best breakfast. Man, best breakfast with dates and milk. Beautiful. Oh, we have 4 likes. Beautiful. Yeah. Kind of close right at the spot. So, gold is pushing up. Beautiful date. We break the high of the previous candle, man. That is bearish. I think we may have a trade. We may have a trade after 30-minute candle close. We are waiting. Yeah. We are waiting. Yeah. Yeah. I will wait for this candle to close. If it closes like this, oh man, you can imagine. Yeah, you can imagine. This is absolutely nothing. Yeah. This is absolutely nothing. Yeah. I enjoy that. Ah, man, this is the best breakfast that I'm doing. Yeah. Yeah. I can't expect better than this breakfast. I only do lunch. I don't do breakfast. Pull back, man. Don't do that. Oh. Mmm. 1 hour candle close above the range. That I was like, man, let me see the 1 hour. This kind of came more up than it means there is nothing for me. So this is the last date that I am about to eat, and yeah. All right. We have 5 minutes left. Yeah, let's see. Wow, beautiful. Yeah, I have done my breakfast. I think now I'm good. I'm feeling powerful. I'm feeling good. Chanda mama kho gaye. Mm. Oh, wow. That was also 1 hour closure. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, I want from the next channel to come down, create a bottom wake. Then came up. Yeah, if we don't get the bottom wake, I will not be interested in the trade. We have 3 minutes left. Yeah, we really have 3 or yeah, 3 minutes. Yeah, maybe London volume will push us. Oh shit. Yeah. We have this support on the 30-minute time frame. Wow. Wow. That was the concern. This kind of has no bottom wick. Two minutes. 2 minutes left for this candle to close. You gonna take? Yeah. Yeah, I am. I am looking for buy on gold, man. NSG, yes. Definitely. Definitely. But I wanna see a bottom wick first. Yeah. One minute. I am definitely looking for something on gold. All I want is bottom wick, a good bottom wick, so I can feel better. Oh no, no, no. I want this candle to close well above the range. Well above the range means close above this wick. No, yeah, I want this to close like this, or yeah. If it closed below the range, then I think I would call it a day. Alright, close above the range. Good. Let's see, man, if we can get the bottom wick. I would have a buy stop if we had a bottom wick over here. This is not a good bottom wick. Yeah. After the bottom wick, if this candle break its own low, I will close half. I think I will not close half as long as we close above this range. Yeah, let's see, man, if we can get the bottom wick. I will have a buy stop. If we don't get the bottom wick, I will just let this thing to go. Yeah, I will let this thing to go wherever it wanna go. Yeah, I have no problem. Oh, we are breaking the high. We are breaking the high. I don't wanna get into this. We are really breaking the high, man. I don't think so that will be a good idea for us to get into this trade. This candle has no bottom wick. Yeah. If this candle break its own low, yeah, this is also good. That could be also good trade. Yeah, let's see if this candle can grab a good liquidity. I think I would be happy to get into this trade. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look at this. Candle has no bottom wick and came up at the end of the day, pushing down. Let's see if this candle break its own low. Yeah, we are about to breaking the low. We are about to break the low. Oh wow, look at this. It's also pushing up to create a top wick. Can we see a bottom wick over here? We are about to break the low. Yeah, we are breaking the low. So yeah, let's see, man, if we can grab the liquidity. Now our position is, yeah, this is good. This is good. Yeah, this is good. Beautiful. This is why I always said, man, bottom wicks are very important. Top and bottom wicks are very important. Top and bottom wicks are very, very important, man. Alright, now we have a good bottom wick. So yeah, man, I'm going to have a buy stop over here. What is this candle high? 27. Yeah, I'm going to have a buy stop over here. So yeah, let's see if we can break the high one more time. Yeah. Buy stop. If we can break the high, that would be very good. Yeah. Yeah. Buy stop on the break of the high. How are you, Usman? Hey bro, I'm good, man. Tayyib Ali? I'm feeling good, bro. Yeah, feeling amazing. Buy stop, man. Yeah, feeling buy stop. Now I'm feeling good. I was feeling bad when this candle break the high. I was like, maybe it came up. But now I'm feeling good, man. Now I'm feeling like, hey, man, I know what I have to do now. Bro, what about you? Great to, yeah, what about you, bro? How's your trading going on, bro? And yeah, everything. Bro, this is how I avoid my losses. This is how. Because I only need one trade a day. If I only want one trade a day, why I have to force the trades? Why I have to force the trades? Looking for buys today, and trading is just going good. Had a good week last week, and let's see what this week has for us. Yeah, this week would be good if you don't force the trade for today and for tomorrow. Tomorrow is a CPI. I think after the CPI we will have a move, but I'm not feeling good. Other than trading, everything is okay. University and job, that's all. Yeah, bro, good man, good. So yeah, so I'm just like, yeah, I'll suggest you to note over risk for today and for tomorrow in the London session. But after the CPI, yeah, you can get the good move and the big move. So if this 15-minute candle closed below the range, I would delete this buy stop, because we all know this, what we are for the day, bearish. What we are for the weekly time frame, bearish. For our daily, weekly. So if this, yeah, if this candle closed below the range, that means we have a fake out. Can we take a trade on the fake out? No. Why? Because like we can take a trade on the fake out in the overall trend. How we can see the overall trend? We don't have to go to the left hand side to see the overall trend. We can go to the daily time frame to see the overall trend, last 3-4 days trend. We can go to the weekly time frame to see the overall trend. Overall trend is bearish. We can take a sell. Yeah, we can take a sell on a fake out. But do we have a clean range? Because what we need, why we were looking for candle to close above this range? Because we have a clean range till this level. Do we have clean range in this level? Absolutely no. So if we don't have a clean range, then we can't take a sell. So if we don't have a clean range here, where we can take a sell? So yeah, till this level we don't have a clean range. So yeah, easy stuff. Let's go to the left hand side and see where we have a clean range. Oh, here we have a clean range. How much is this range? This is a 48 pip range. Oh wow, beautiful. So what we have to do now, we have to wait for the candle to close below the range. If this candle can, if we can get the closure below the range in the New York session, then you know what we have to do. You know this, yeah. And yeah, this is not looking good, because below this level, like we are just 1 pip away from the support area. Yeah. When are you gonna trade with your camera on instead of the photo? This is a good question. When I'm gonna trade, I don't know now, but maybe after the Ramadan, because we have 1 month, and in Ramadan we may, no, I will do the stream. Yeah, I will do the stream, but That will be a short stream, not like 3 hours, man, because yeah, no one can speak 3 hours in Ramadan. So I think 1 minute left for this candle to close. One minute left for this candle to close. 15-minute candle to close. And I think most probably this candle will close below the range. Yeah, this candle will close below the range. And I think we have to, let's see, 1 minute left. Yeah, bro, I will definitely do this with the camera after Ramadan. Definitely. I also have to do one more thing. Like I have to change my PC, and I have to buy. I have a buy at 2023. I have a buy at 2023.30. 2023.30. When you took this buy, all right. Candle close below the range, so we know what we have to do. Yeah, when you took the buy, bro. Yeah, man, I'm going to delete the buy stop because looks like night time before sleeping. Oh, 2023. Yeah, bro, close your buy. I think this is a good time to close your buy. Because we got a fake out. 1 hour is also flipping bearish. If 1 hour close bearish, that means buy is not valid. So yeah, I'll suggest you to close your trade. As you say, Usman. Yeah. So yeah, bro, because now we all know this. There's a highest. Oh, 1 hour is clean. 1 hour is looking clean. But the problem is if the next candle, like if this 1 hour candle close bearish and the next candle close above the range, 4 hour also close above, I think that will not. Are you trading a funded trader account? Yeah, I am. Yeah, because if I do some mistake, I don't have to pay all of my money. So that is why I'm doing this on the funded trader, because like if I do one mistake, my mistake will cost me like nothing. But if I make some good decision, that means when is a good time to get a pro firm account, bro? I I think if you are profitable, I think that would be a good time to get into the prop firm. But I think if you I think if you have your own funds, I would suggest you that is more good, because like you can do the news trade with me on your own fund, and man, you can make huge money. But the problem is, because of the 5% daily drawdown, I can't open a big lot on my trading account. So this is a problem. Like yesterday I got, not yesterday, on NFP I got 150 pips. On one trade I got 75 pips. On the second entry I got 150 pips. But I made 1%. Why? Because I can't take a big risk. That is why. So tomorrow I will trade the CPI news. Yeah, I'll do the stream on the CPI news. Maybe I don't trade in the London session. Yeah, maybe I do trade in the New York session for the news. Or maybe we do trade for like 3 hours. Wow. So yeah, man. It is up to you, man. But I will suggest you to do the trading on your own funds. That would be more good. That would be best. Okay, yeah, bro. Bro, Oh, we didn't have any sound, man. Yeah, I was saying, guys, if you have any question, you can ask me. But when I was saying that, we didn't have any sound. That was the problem.
If you guys can leave a like on the stream, I think that would be very good.
I'm gonna head off now. Maybe I do stream in the New York session. I think if I do stream in the New York session, that would be very good. Yeah, maybe we get the opportunity to get into the trade if we do the stream in the NY session. But if you didn't give a like, leave a like, and also if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel. You were quiet for bro. Yeah, my mic goes turn off and I didn't even know, and I was saying the same thing, like, guys, if you have any question you can ask me. Now I see, hey man, my mic is not working. Yeah, like now I started to go to the ground to play something, to like just to active my body. And if maybe I started the stream in the New York Open. Maybe I don't do stream in the pre-NY, but I will try to do the stream in the NY session. If don't, tomorrow I will definitely go for a stream for the CPI. Yeah, that's it, man. That was the day. Like, looks like we don't have any opportunity. Market is waiting for the CPI data. Tomorrow we have a CPI data. After
say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh. Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.